Students, as you know, in my previous video we have started chapter number 3, mineral and power resources. Today we are going to read about the extraction of minerals. Extraction means how we can get the minerals through the drilling, mining, drilling and quarrying. The process of taking out minerals from the rock buried under the earth's surface is called mining. The process through which we can take out the minerals which is buried in the earth's surface is known as the mining. Minerals that lies shallow deep and taken out, removing the surface layer, is known as the open cast mining. See, these have been divided. The minings has been divided. What is open cast mining? When the the surface of the earth has been removed, the layer of the earth has been removed. That is known as the open cast mining. Deep bores called shafts have to be made to reach the minerals. We have to bore the earth deep inside and shafts are being made. That is also known as the shaft mining. Petroleum and natural gas occurs far below the earth's surface. Petroleum and gas, it's far below the deep well are bored. So you can see deep well are being bored when the petroleum and natural gas are to be taken out. This is called drilling. We do it. Bores are made through the drilling process. We take out the petrol and natural gas when the deep bores are being made in a well form. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out, and this process is known as quarrying. When the minerals, by digging up surface of land, this is known as quarrying. When the minerals we get. Now we have the distribution of minerals. How the minerals are being distributed in the different parts of the world. Minerals occur in different types of rocks. As I have told you that minerals may be in the different types of rocks. Some are found in the igneous rocks, some are metamorphic rock, and while others occurs in the sedimentary rocks. Minerals are found in these three rocks we have discussed in the previous chapter: igneous rock, metamorphic rock and the sedimentary rock. So minerals can be found in these three rocks only. Generally, metallic minerals are found in the igneous and metamorphic rock formation that forms a larger plateau. Metallic minerals are found in which types of rock? Igneous and metamorphic. Iron ore, North Sweden, copper in nickel deposit in Australia, Canada, iron, nickel, chromite, platinum in South Africa are the examples of minerals found in the igneous and metamorphic rock. See, whether we talk about the South Africa or Canada, iron, nickel, chromite, platinum are found and they are present in igneous and metamorphic rock. Sedimentary rock formation of plains and young full mountains containing non-metallic minerals. Sedimentary rocks contain non-metallic minerals like limestone, deposit, magnesium and phosphate. These are all minerals are found in the sedimentary rock. Mineral fuels such as coal and petroleum are also found in the sedimentary strata. Minerals, coal and petroleum are also found in the sedimentary strata. Thank you, class.